Hello, I'm Rob Ricks. We'd like to introduce you to our new design of our storage and camping system for the RAV4. We have designed it where it's more sturdy and reliable for you to have. Our new design adds easier access to the spare tire where you can remove the factory floor and even store larger items such as your camping and sleeping bags. So it is good for both speaker versions, and we provide the covers that allow you to cover those up. So our large one drawer capacity, we've added dividers in there in a tic-tac form fashion. So you're able to store things in the different compartments. So our dividers are made where you can separate them any way you want to. You can make them a half drawer, a quarter drawer, or you could even make 4 drawers sections in here. So they're designed where you can fit them any way you would like. So the tops of our drawers can be used as a pull-out platform. You can store or mount your refrigerator or ice chest on top of the pull-out platform that slides out with your drawer. Or we have other options where you can mount hinges on the back of your pull-out platform so it lifts up and still have access. We also provide locks, so you can purchase locks for your drawer for locking. Our units come with durable sliders. These sliders and your unit is capable of holding 250 to 300 pounds. You can also upgrade your drawer into a camping and sleeping system. We have tables you can add, sinks. We have an electric faucet that you can use. Our sleeping platforms install in just minutes. You lower your seats and they attach to the back of your drawer, take very little space, and you can leave the sleeping units in your SUV. We also provide accessories for your drawers, such as light bars for lighted drawers. is our new lower weight, now only about 60 pounds. We removed unnecessary elements that caused issues during the use. Easier access to the spare tire. We had several customers report issues we have been resolved. Better fitting with both rear seats positioned. Thoughtful packaging, quick assembly and installation. The old drawers only held up to 40 pounds. This drawer supports up to 250 pounds with proper weight distribution. So you can purchase our units in varnish, which is a natural wood color that is protected from water, or you can get it in the carpet version that's easy to keep clean. You just wipe it off. Buy today on the link in the description. If you have any questions, please write in the comments. Subscribe to us to don't miss new interesting products.